Hello guys, welcome to Civil Point. It's Abdullah Maqsood. Today we are going to discuss briefly about the areas of groups of standards bars in inch square. Mean you have these two tables and you have calculated your area, reinforcement area for beam or for your slab, and then how will you read these tables to get your exact figure of bars. So we have this table will be used for beams and columns. I am telling you about structure elements. For beams and columns you will use this table. In the first column you have inch pound bar designation number from 4 to 18, and in the second column it's equivalent system international bar designation. For example, inch pound designation is 4, the same designation for system international unit will be 13. So our table is on inch pound system. So simply if you have one number 4 bar, you will have 0.20 area in inch square. If you have your area 0.40, then you can use two number 4 bars, and this table is on the same concept. For example, you have 6 number 8 bars, so you will have 4.74. For example, you have designed a beam. After complete analysis you got 5.53 inch square of your area from e-tabs or from manual calculation. Then you will use this table to find the number of bars. So how will you find? Here is 5.53, so you will use 7 number 8 bars. You can round off them because 7 is an odd number. You can go towards 8 or towards 6 depending upon your calculations and depending upon your safety factor. So simple way of using areas table from to get exact value of your bar number. So the next table is of area of bars in slab. For slab you will use this one. For example, after complete calculation, let's suppose you are designing a slab on E-tabs or SAP or SAFE. At the end of the analysis you will get the result in inch square per feet. Means that this one is your 1 feet and this is also 1 feet. How much reinforcement in inch square will be there? This table will give you. For example, E-tabs is giving you 1.60 reinforcement. So you will use this table. Here is inch pound designation number, here is system international designation number, and this one is the spacing in inches. So you will, for example, you got 0.44 inch square per feet, then you will say that you can put number 3 at 3 inches, 0.44 inch square per feet on your in your slab. For example, you got 1.60 or you got 1.18 or less than this one, you will get there 1.18. You will say that number 6 at 4.5 inches, number 6 at 4.5 inches. Mean, for example, it's your slab, and in this direction, parallel to this direction, you got that 1.18. then you will say that this is bar number 6 and this is the distance 4.5 inches. So it's very simple, but at the end of the day you should have knowledge about this. So this was our lecture about how to read areas of groups of standard bars and also area of bars in slab. If you got any question about this, please ask me in the comment section. We will be there for the next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.